The bikes are doing fantastic today. First real day out so far this year. Just out for a little cruise. Absolutely beautiful day outside. We also got some awesome donuts, guys.
We already ate 2 of them.
We already ate 2 of them because we can't help ourselves, but they're just so good. Oh, I didn't know where this person was going. They just totally threw me off. Did you see that? I didn't know where they were going. All right, I'll restart this. Absolutely beautiful day outside today, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jacob. Welcome back to JB ADV. I hope you guys are all having a absolutely fantastic day. It is a beautiful day outside, like I just said. A little windy, but that's okay. My bike is showing us 61 degrees outside, which in March, I'll take it. I will take it. It is, I'm hoping for an early spring. I bet a lot of you are waiting for an early spring as well. I'm itching to ride. That's why I'm out on the road today. The woods are terrible right now. They are full of mud. It downpoured all day yesterday, so we are on a little road ride. I think we're going up to get some donuts. Cool little spot that opened pretty recently, and their donuts are just amazing, so why not? Gives you a good little destination to ride to. I get to make an awesome video behind the bars here of the Tiger 900 for you guys. I could talk to you guys a little bit more about the bike, give you guys some more input on certain things about it, what I do like, maybe some things I don't like right off the bat, because not every bike is perfect. There is some stuff that I don't like about this bike. So as I discussed, guys, in my reveal video, this is a 900 triple on this Tiger that I'm absolutely in love with. Pauline is on her 2021 Tracer 9 GT by Yamaha, right in front of me here, and she also has the 900 triple. They are very, very similar motors, the Yamaha to the Triumph. They really are. The real only difference you're gonna feel between both of these that we noticed right off the bat is that my bike feels like it has more horsepower when really it doesn't. Maybe it's 1 or 2. I'd have to actually check the numbers, or maybe I'll put the numbers on the screen here, but realistically, the only reason why is because mine has an earlier torque curve on this bike. Once you get into the high end, they feel identical, I would say. But the main thing that I could tell you right off the bat between riding both of these back to back is my trans on the Tiger 900 and my shifter, this bike is a lot smoother. It is like, I'm shifting right there, guys, because I have the quick shifter, so that's me downshifting all the way to second. And this bike is so much smoother than that Yamaha, which is so shocking to me because you think Japanese, you think high quality, reliable, smooth. I mean, look at Honda transmissions in their cars. They're probably my favorite transmissions to ever drive around in. Manual, of course, but that's the one thing, and it's not just my opinion. She says it too. She says my transmission is far exceeds that one. Now, it's not saying that that's bad. I don't think anybody riding around on that bike would have any complaints for the transmission. I know I certainly didn't, but it's just the little things, you know, and this bike just has a way smoother trans. If any of you are new to the channel, by the way, maybe this Tiger 900 brought you to the channel because I just revealed it, then I welcome you. Or maybe you're just watching this video and you're interested in this bike, or maybe you're interested in the Tracer 9 GT. We welcome you. I think we're gonna try to do more footage on that bike as well, the Tracer 9 GT, her bike. Try to get some, maybe some videos out on that as well. We'll see what we could get done. One thing I gotta say about this bike, being that I'm 5'7", that I actually do not like is the bar position. On the GT, it wasn't too bad because the bars were a little bit, I don't know, they're a little bit more narrow. But on this bike, the bars are so wide that I actually don't like how far forward they are. So I actually plan on getting from a brand called Heli Bars. I believe that's how you say their name, I would assume. They actually sell an adapter that's a riser and a bar back. So this will be moving my bars about 1 inch up and about 1 inch back, give or take. So I plan on doing that, and then I'll be remounting my phone somewhere else, as well as maybe up here. I have a lot of plans for this bike, and I think I'm going to do a separate video on all my true plans for this bike, on what I am going to do to build it out to be an awesome little adventure bike. But for now, we're just going to enjoy the ride. Another awesome thing about this bike, guys, is the auto canceling turn signals. You don't realize how much that is amazing until you have it. And it actually threw me for a loop when I first started using them. And there's like 3 different settings on this bike for how you want them to act. You can set it to manual, so they don't do auto canceling at all. And then there's other settings on here. So here you go, like I'm turning it on where it just does it auto. And I leave it in auto and it works pretty good. So there you go. So it's still flashing. And then there it goes. It's off. It's amazing. I love how it just works. Yeah. Everybody's enjoying today. Absolutely beautiful day. I would be too. I mean, I am. I'm out here on the bike. This is my playground. That's theirs. That's fine. We're at our destination. All right, we've made it. So we're actually at Dream Donuts here in Warwick, New York. If you guys are interested or local to this area in any way, shape, or form, or you decide to ride through, I'm telling you, these donuts are unbelievable. End up getting an awesome milkshake while we're here. Comes with 3 donuts on top. Can't go wrong with that. We also got some awesome donuts, guys.
We already ate 2 of them.
We already ate 2 of them because we can't help ourselves, but they're just so good. Totally worth the ride on this beautiful day. Now that we're filled up with donuts, we're ready to ride a little bit more. I'll tell you, it's certainly a luxury going from the 250L to something like this. I'm sitting more upright. I got tons of creature comfort features with this screen right in front of me. I can actually see my music, change my music, see text messages, all types of stuff actually within this screen, which is really, really awesome. I mean, I do have my phone mounted in front of me right here, so it was never an issue on my 250L, but it's just a really nice convenience being able to see stuff like my range, my current fuel mileage, stuff like that. That's really important when you're doing a lot of touring. Having the windscreen, you know, it goes without say. I mean, even the comfort of this seat and being able to carry more gear around with me, it's just, you don't realize how much nicer it is riding on the road or going out for a longer distance touring and just trying to make a whole day out of riding, and it's just so easy and effortless on a bike like this. And that's another reason that really pulled me into getting a larger ADV at this moment in time. I was actually at a dealer yesterday looking at dual sports, guys, but I'm not pulling the trigger on one just yet. It's just not the right time for me to do that. Maybe if this channel picks up, you know, we could we could do something else like that, but I'm just super excited to get out on this bike and see what this bike can do in the woods. It's great on the road, as you guys can tell. I mean, back when I first started this channel, I used to take my dual sport and do little road rides all the time, and you guys seem to like them when I did these little road rides and explore videos. So I figured I'd make another one for you here today because I should get back into that. Ooh, what do we got over here? We got some live action going on up here. I don't know. This is a park, I think, up here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh man, yeah, they have the, yeah, medevac. Oh boy. Oh, I hope everybody's okay. That's not good. Oh man. Yeah, that's nuts. Oh boy. I didn't even hear anything about that today. Huh. That's crazy. Well, I hope everybody's okay, or at least I hope they're going to be okay, because that's never good. So it's funny, we were just talking about how sunny it is and how beautiful it is outside, and I recently just got the auto tinting face shield for my helmet. Now, I run a Bell MX-9 Adventure helmet, if anybody's interested. And I've already been running this helmet for a while now. I even decided to take it to Wayne National Forest last year when I rode off-road only, instead of taking my Fox dedicated off-road helmet, because I just find this helmet so comfortable. And so I ended up, when I bought this bike, I knew I'd be riding on the road a lot more, that I ended up buying the photochromatic face shield, which auto tints for you, so I don't have to wear sunglasses or anything in my helmet, because I find that very uncomfortable personally, so wearing sunglasses and stuff, or at least I've never found sunglasses that fit my helmet good enough where I'm okay with it. Pauline, on the other hand, has figured out a pair that she finds comfortable, so she goes with that. But ever since I got this face shield, she just saw my face and was like, oh my gosh, your face shield is blacked out. I can't even see you in your helmet. And it's great, because I don't even realize it's tinting for me. And but I don't have to squint. It's lovely. I can look right into the sun right now, and it's great. Like, it's such a... if there's an upgrade to a helmet or quality of life for riding, guys, if you're a road rider, or even if you just hit the occasional woods trail and you have the face shield in, buy the tinted face shield. It's auto fogging too, so if you go out on a little chillier of a morning, it's not going to fog up on you. It is great. Let me pass this guy here, and let's see if I can give you a look in my rear view of what I look like. If you guys can even see that in my rear view camera, I'm not sure if the angle is doing justice on how tinted my face shield is, but it is very tinted and it looks great. Having that power at your fingertips is so nice to have. And this bike, even with the 21-inch front wheel, this bike handles corners great. I feel like maybe it's not such a big deal to me because I came from a dual sport that had a 21-inch front wheel already. But I will tell you that when I took, even for the short ride that I did on the GT version, which I believe had a 19-inch front wheel, that bike was definitely better in the corners, but this bike is just as good. It's fine. Not twitchy in any way, shape, or form. Very stable through every corner, very predictable. It's really quite nice, to be honest with you. Well, that about ends the video, guys, of us on our nice little Sunday cruise. Really nothing wrong with going for a nice Sunday cruise, getting out when the weather is beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching us just go get some donuts, stuff our face with fat foods, and enjoy some milkshakes, and just relax and break in the bikes for the year once more. I know the bikes definitely wanted to be out just as much as we did. I mean, these bikes, you can't let them sit too long. They get too lonely. You got to open them up. You got to bring them out. You got to hit some twisties like this and really have a good time. We still had a blast just going up, getting some snacks, like I said, and I hope you guys had fun being along for the ride with us. We're gonna go back and we're gonna go work in the garage now. We got a couple things we gotta button up on some bikes. You guys will be seeing that in the upcoming videos. If you guys enjoyed this type of content and you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and make sure you guys hit that like button if you enjoyed the content, and I will see you guys on the next one real soon. This has been Jacob and Pauline with JB ADV, and we'll talk to you guys real soon. Take it easy. Peace.